Hi everyone, it's Matt Wallace again with another Essential Skills video. I'm at the house today because we're going to do a little bit of simple kitchen skills. We're going to be using mimetic documents like we did last week in a different video. I made a simple smoothie recipe in mimetic form. So notice it has 3 columns. On the far right, we see all of our ingredients: Greek yogurt, mixed berries, spinach, etc. In the middle, we have our quantity of each ingredient. And on the far left, we put the nutritional value of each ingredient. In other words, why we're putting it into the smoothie. So for example, the chia seeds are for fiber and protein, and the peanut butter is for protein and carbohydrates, etc. All I need to do this is my blender, measuring cup, and a couple of spoons. So here's my ingredients. I have some baby spinach. I actually don't have any Greek yogurt, so I have regular yogurt. Peanut butter powder. Peanut butter powder is the same as regular peanut butter, but it's been dried out. So all this is basically dried up peanuts. If you add water to it, it makes regular peanut butter. It's a little better for you because there's nothing else in it. And here's my chia seeds. Now, chia seeds I find really grainy and I don't like to eat them. But they are good for you. So what I did is put them in water yesterday, and now they're not as grainy. They're a lot softer and will blend into the smoothie better. And also my berries. So I'm almost out of berries. So I do have frozen rhubarb that I'm going to add to the berries as well. So we're going to follow the recipe from the bottom up, meaning we're going to start with our water. So I'm actually going to double every quantity on here because I want to make enough for 2 smoothies. So since it says 1 cup of water, the double of 1 cup is 2 cups. So I don't cook very often, so I only have 1 measuring cup. It's 1 cup. Oftentimes you have larger ones, so I just have to fill this up twice. Okay, so there's our 2 cups water. Next, it says 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. In case you didn't know, a tablespoon is the larger spoon. The smaller one's a teaspoon. So here's my chia seeds. Okay, next is the teaspoon of peanut butter powder. Now the peanut butter actually comes with a scoop, so I'm just going to use the scoop. It says 1 teaspoon, so I'm going to just use 2 for our double recipe. Next, it says a 1/2 cup of spinach, so double a 1/2 cup, that's 1 full cup. So we're going to take our cup, and I'm basically just going to fill it because it's 1 cup. Dump it in. Next is our frozen berries. It says 1 cup of those, so we need 2 cups. And like I said, I don't have enough left, so I'm going to use as many berries as I can. And some rhubarb to top it off. And it calls for 1 cup, and like I said, we're doubling everything. So 2 cups. And finally, 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Like I said, I'm just using regular yogurt today. 3/4 cup, if you double that, it's 1.5 cups. So 1 cup and 1/2 cup. Now I froze my yogurt where it was on sale, and I bought a lot. And when you freeze and then thaw yogurt, it gets pretty runny. Now we're ready to blend. So there you have it. Like I said, I made this recipe so you can make smoothies with lots of other things. You can use fruit like apples and oranges. You can use protein powder. You can use regular peanut butter if you don't have powdered peanut butter.